Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm gonna check out from my first Airbnb. Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm gonna check out from this Airbnb. This Airbnb will always hold a special place in my heart for the rest of my life because it was the first time I have stayed alone in an Airbnb. Airbnb was so good, trust me. It's amazing for one person. Also, it can be amazing for two-person, but it's gonna be a little congested because it's a very little apartment actually. It was 1 BHK, I'm assuming. They have divided this home into two parts. It had all the amenities and I could see Petronas Twin Tower. I just love this place. Now where I am going, it's far away from this place and I believe that place is not this much happening place. Usually my first Airbnb has never been the best, but this one was one of the best Airbnb I have stayed so far and I'm so proud of myself that I found by myself. I will highly recommend you guys to get this Airbnb. The only problem I had was the bathroom was so smelly. It's a little nauseating. I wouldn't say that it was a very pleasant, but I always used to lock my door. I was 5 minutes away from Petronas Twin Tower, so it was amazing to see Petronas Twin Tower on a day-to-day basis. I went to the gym, I used the pool. So it was amazing. I highly recommend you guys this Airbnb. It's time to check out and go to a new place. Before that, I want to eat something because I'm feeling a little hungry. I think I have kept it pretty clean and they are not going to complain about the guest, I believe. I'm going to turn off the TV. I'm going to close all the doors and I'm going to check out.
12 seconds later.
I have checked out from the Airbnb and the first thing that we are going to be doing is going to a restaurant because I'm very hungry. So I have taken a recommendation from you guys, that is Olia restaurant. It's the Olia, that's where we're going to be going. I have ordered the grilled version, that's how they call it, and I hope it's best. The lighting is not the best. I'm gonna finish some editing.
This is Evan. I don't want to go back to the college.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
अभी इसको उठाना पड़ेगा यार. Obviously I'm late. When I saw the place on the map, I just knew that I have booked a very wrong Airbnb. After staying in such a happening place, I'm never gonna enjoy the place I'm going to. I'm so mad at myself, why did I book that place in the first place? But anyways, I'm gonna go to my next Airbnb, which is far away from here. It's in the place called Kuchai. So I have to go to a station, then I have to change a platform, then I don't even know, but let's see how that happens. बीच में मेरा चेन भी कट गया बैग का. I don't even know what's happening with me right now. Food was very overrated, let me tell you that. Now overrated था मैं बता नहीं सकती. 45 ringgit for that बैंगन. I was too shy to say anything. Of course I have ordered that, but वो वैसे ही आता है. I don't even know बैंगन के लिए कोई 900 रुपए क्यों देगा. कोई गधी होगी जो देने वाली है. 900 रुपए से ज़्यादा लगा मुझे शायद. I don't even know. It was so overpriced restaurant. The one that I wanted to order was 80 ringgit. And I'm like, no, where in hell I'm actually giving 80 ringgit for seafood. उधर के लिए 900 रुपए देना, I will remember it. मेरा एक ट्रेन अभी छूट गया तो मुझे 10-15 मिनट अभी वेट करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही नेक्स्ट ट्रेन आएगा. Now it's time for me to change the train. So I'm gonna take MRT now. This is my first time taking MRT. मैंने अब तक जितनी बार भी लिया है ना, मैंने बोलो में भी लिया है. First time MRT लेने जाऊँगी. Let's go to Putrajaya, platform 1. Actually, it's good to see that they have women-only coach as well. 3 women-only gates.
Two hours later.
After lots and lots of hassle, finally we are here. We have the room 3908 and I'm going to show you. This is my room. There is a lot of apartments, by the way, close to each other, literally 5 meters of distance to each other. I'm going to show you how it looks from inside, so let's go inside. First, this is a lock. We have a key. This is how you have to slide it and open it, close it as well. Lock, then star, door opened and we can go inside. So the moment I enter, there is 2 switch I can see, and I'm gonna go straight. And this is how the room looks like. I found the switch. Quite fascinating, but this is my trolley. This is the TV cabinet. This is TV. And here we have plants, and here we have open space. I'm at the 39th floor, by the way. This is the view of 39th floor. This is a sofa cum bed. It's in the color beige. Oh my god, so neutral. I have a center table. I have an AC over here. Not only over here, but I also have an AC over in my bedroom. This is my bedroom. I'm gonna be staying here for a very long time, by the way. I'm gonna keep my keys over here. From here, I have this wardrobe. I have 2 extra pillows, and then I have a full mirror. Finally, I do have a full mirror, guys. Next, I have another room over here. I'm just opening it, and washing machine. Here is my washroom, and it's smelling amazing, guys. By the way, just wanted to tell you, there is no dirt at all. It is a separate shower area. Then once I close this, I have this place right here. So this is a study room, so you can study or do whatever you want. You can close the room like this. So probably I will do my editing over here. We also have a separate AC over here as well. This is gonna be my bedroom, and this is obviously my entertainment room or my leisure time. I can sleep over here as well. I will literally be able to sleep over here because it's exactly my height, I guess. Yeah, it's exactly my height. I'm gonna be staying here for 15 days. Is a little costly, I'm not gonna lie. Compared to Malaysian accommodation, I would say it's way more costly. So I think I have paid around 6,000 with tax and cleaning service fee and Airbnb fee, you know, all those things. I'm not going to be doing anything else because it's already 7 p.m. and it's raining. It's raining so bad, and I'm just going to grab my shoe. I am at the 39th floor. I cannot believe. Even my pool in the previous flat was in 36th floor. So I was complaining like I will not like the place, but overall I'm liking the home, guys. I don't even care about the place, honestly, because the home is something I'm absolutely loving. I'm so excited to stay here for the next 15 days, you know. It's amazing. And I'm so grateful. This is my house. Yeah, that's about today. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Day 2.
आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं केके फूड मार्ट। मलेशियन ग्रोसरी आइटम है या इंडियन ग्रोसरी आइटम है, तो सब आपको मिल जाएगा वहाँ पे। It's one of the best supermarket after 7-Eleven over in Malaysia. 24 hours खुला भी रहता है, so it's very convenient. If you are staying for long, it's better to eat घर का खाना all the time. बाहर का खाना is not the very best, you know. I'm gonna take this. It's more less expensive. यहाँ पे 4-5 रेट ही होंगे। इसका प्राइस है almost 60 rupees. Nuggets. I'm gonna get this one. After contemplating so much, I'm actually taking this mustard oil. पानी बहुत महंगा है यहाँ बाहर। इस होटल में ना पानी ही नहीं। ये साबु बहुत खाते हैं। Maggi has different flavors for Malaysia. These भर भर के हैं। झाड़ू पोछा करने वाला भी मिल जाता है। सब कुछ यहाँ पे इंडियन आपको दिख जाएगा। ये राजमा चावल, चना। वीगन है तो आप ये ले सकते हैं। Did it break? Yeah, it did. I hate mustard oil smell. I hate it.
Later.
All ready to go to Masjid Jamek and Mardeka Square. Today I want to explore that part of the city today, far away from my place actually. I want to see what they have over there, so let's go.
Door open.
Just gonna double check. Why none of the lift is coming when I wanted? And then ground floor. After all this security, I can finally go out. God, this is so much for me.
Eventually.
We are at Little India. I have all of the Indian restaurants behind me and सभी Indian लोग ही खा रहे हैं. All I can see here is Indian people. It's amazing. जब मैं आई थी ना यहाँ पे, तब भी मैं यहाँ से ही गुजरी थी. And this is such a beautiful place. You can see behind me as well. यहाँ पे सभी Indian दुकानें हैं. Like चाट मसाला. I don't know what festival do we have, but this is fascinating. गार्डन की दुकान भर भर के है. Let's go to this 7-Eleven very quick. ये लोग बहुत पीते हैं यार. 7-Eleven hot and spicy potato chips. How much is it? 24.90. डोसा के जो फ्रेग्रेंस है ना, उससे मेरे नाक बंद हो गई. यहाँ पे सिर्फ डोसा का स्मेल आ रहा है मेरे को. You get लाल शाह. इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ है, उसके नीचे साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज में जरूर लिखा है. अभी 6 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे एंड इट्स लाइक सनी AM. मलेशिया की एक अच्छी बात यह है कि जब आप रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हो ना, गाड़ी ऐसे ही बहुत स्लो कर देते हैं बहुत दूर से. काफी अच्छा लगा. एंड ये लोग ना अननेसेसरीली हॉर्न नहीं मारते हैं. अगर ड्राइवर को लगे कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जगह है एंड वो सरपस कर सकते हैं विदाउट हॉन्किंग, they just do it. I cannot believe I'm actually seeing an India store over in Little India. It's amazing. देखो भाई, इंडिया के जैसा स्टेशन ना यहाँ पे भी है. यहाँ पे भी मतलब ऐसे स्टेशंस है. टावर. निकलने से पहले मैं कितना ज्यादा एंशियस फील कर रही थी वहाँ पे, मैं बता नहीं सकती. यहाँ पे जब आ गई ना, तब लग रहा है कि हाँ अभी थोड़ा सिटी वाइब आ गया है, अभी थोड़ा जान आ गया है. मैं अभी बस से उतरी हूँ. ऐसे लोग आपको हमेशा मिलेंगे दीवार पे लिखते हुए, इंडिया हो या बाहर. We have flags over flags over flags in every crooks and corners of this place. Malaysia was under British colonial, so of course everything is quite European. ऐसे आपको KL Tower भी दिखाई देगा.
8:01 p.m.
Lost the road somehow. I don't know how. I just got off from the train and it's 9:30 right now. I'm quite scared. I just want to reach my Airbnb as soon as possible. It's a narrow stuff जो कि ड्रामास में दिखाते हैं यार. बहुत डर लग रहा है मेरे को अभी. अगर सामने से बाइक आके मेरे को ठुकरा दिया, then I won't be able to go anywhere. अगर पीछे से भी बाइक आ रहा है, so probably I will be able to see it from here. That just freaked the shit out of me, not gonna lie. The security personnel keeps monitoring the place because this place is so vacant. Like there is not a single human being I can see. I'm just walking by myself while freaking out or like a little scared because इस रास्ते का मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि इतना ज़्यादा सुनसान होने वाला है. Oh my God. और सिर्फ लोकेलिटी के लोग हैं. यहाँ पे एक भी दुकान नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक एनी यूरोप कंट्री. नॉइस फ्री. अगर यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं एक भी यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाऊँ ना, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे वीडियो में एक भी नॉइज आने वाले हैं.
Oh my God! 1 hour later.